What if I told you your A320 side stick isn't really moving elevators the way we picture it? It's sending a message to a team of computers that smooths and protects your flight path. Today, let's make the A320's flight control laws simple and friendly. What normal law gives you, what changes in alternate, what direct law feels like, and how to fly them confidently. The A320 is fly-by-wire. Your side stick talks to ELACs and Cs while the FACs look after yaw, turn coordination, and some protections. In pitch, you usually command load factor. The airplane trims for you. In roll, you command roll rate, let go, and it holds bank. The big idea is stable flight path control with envelope protections so you can focus on energy, trajectory, and good decisions. In normal law after liftoff, pitch is G command with auto trim. Roll is roll rate with bank hold. Several protections quietly keep you out of trouble. Load factor limits stop you from overstressing the jet. Pitch attitude limits discourage extreme nose-high or nose-low attitudes. High AOA protection, alpha prot, reshapes your stick into an AOA demand near the stall and keeps you between alpha prot and alpha max. High-speed protection resists overspeed and discourages excessive bank. Bank angle protection tends you back toward a sensible bank when you relax the stick. With auto thrust available, alpha floor can command TOGA automatically in a severe low-energy situation. Afterward, you'll see TOGA lock until you move the thrust levers. Near touchdown, flare law gently hands the pitch back to you so you actually have to flare, giving a natural feel and consistent landings. If some sensors or computers drop offline, normal law can revert to alternate law. Pitch is still G command with auto trim, but stall and overspeed protections are gone. They're replaced by a soft speed stability that nudges the nose down at low speed, your cue to add energy. In roll, alternate 1 can feel close to normal, while alternate 2 is more direct. Yaw damping and turn coordination may be reduced depending on the failure. Alpha floor isn't available. Your technique shifts, fly attitude and power with bigger margins, and don't expect guardrails to save you at the edges. Go one step further and you're in direct law, often with the gear down in alternate or after deeper failures. Now your stick commands go more directly to the control surfaces with fixed gains. Auto trim is gone. You'll get a clear prompt to use manual pitch trim. Set pitch with the stick, trim it out with the wheel, and fly classic attitude and power. It's pleasantly old school, smooth hands, steady scan, and by-the-book discipline. There's also a rare mechanical backup case. Even if you've lost most of the magic, you still have mechanical rudder and manual pitch trim. Use thrust and trim to keep the airplane stable while you work the checklist and plan the safest outcome. How do you know where you are? On the PFD, in normal law, you'll see cues like VLS, alpha prot, and alpha max. In degraded laws, some cues disappear. That's your hint protections are gone. On the FMA and ECAM, you may see messages like prot lost or use man pitch trim. The feel changes too. Normal law is smooth and self-stabilizing. Alternate is an honest airplane with fewer guardrails. Direct makes you the control law, trim and fly. Turn that into everyday technique. When the law changes, your technique changes. In normal, manage energy and let the system reduce workload, but don't rely on protections as a crutch. In alternate, increase your speed buffers and respect both ends of the envelope. Remember, there's no alpha floor. In direct, trim early and often, keep pitch and power stable, and favor a simple, stabilized approach, or a calm, deliberate go-around if it's not right. A few friendly mythbusters. Protections will always save me. Only in normal law, and only within design limits. Alternate law is scary. It's just fewer guardrails. Your attitude and power skills carry you. Direct law means out of control. Not at all. Trim, set stable attitudes, and the airplane becomes very predictable. Key takeaways. Know the law you're in and what changed. In normal, let auto trim and bank hold lower your workload while you manage energy. In alternate, build extra buffers and avoid the edges. In direct, be smooth, trim continuously, and keep it simple and stable. And always let ECAM, the QRH, and your company SOP lead the way. If this helped demystify the A320's flight control laws, please subscribe. Right now, 63% of viewers aren't subscribed, and your click helps this training reach more pilots. Like the video, share it with your crew, and drop your questions below. Your question might be our next episode. Fly smart, and I'll see you on the next one. Training discussion only. Always follow your Airbus FCOM QRH and company SOPs.